Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air, and today we are going to look at a 3-zone ductless split system installation that we just completed. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my page for upcoming videos on different ductless split systems from Carrier and other Carrier heat pump systems, as well as central AC systems with gas furnaces. So this is a 23 SEER 2-ton condenser. Right now we are running it and testing the cooling on the system. This system we just installed, and it has 3 different zones inside with high wall units. So the first zone is for a bedroom, and we ran it right up the wall here, and on the inside of that is the high wall fan coil, a 9,000 BTU for a bedroom. And then over here we ran all the other lines under the house through that vent right there. So one line comes over here, goes all the way under the house, and goes up this wall inside this line cover, and this goes inside the master bedroom, which is also a 9,000 BTU high wall fan coil. And then we ran the other line set all the way to the other side of the house under the house, so there's no lines showing over there. We didn't have to go through the attic. We ran a disconnect right there, so that comes from the panel. It's a 30 amp breaker with 30 amp fuses, and I'll walk around to the other side of the house to show you that. Here is the electrical panel, where we came out of the bottom of the electrical panel right here and went under the house and ran that over to where that disconnect is, so you don't have a lot of outside lines showing. The lines that run all the way under the house run about 40 feet under the house all the way to the living room unit, which is an 18,000 BTU high wall fan coil. So came all the way under the house, came out right there, and we go up the wall, and that's where the fan coil sits, on the inside of that wall for the inside of the house. As you can see, all these line covers do have a condensate drain coming down, so that's the drain for them. And basically this is a fantastic system. It's a variable speed 23 SEER system with an inverter, variable speed compressor, 3 high wall fan coils, 2 9,000 BTU, and then one that is a 18,000 BTU for the living room. So this will cool and heat this house very nicely. If you have any more questions about this installation or any other products for Carrier, like I said, this is a Carrier ductless split system. Give us a call at 714-526-6368, and please visit us at albertair.com. Like this video and subscribe to our page for more informational videos like this. Thank you.